Hey, all right, quick grade tutorial. I am in the full grade center. You can see how I found it right there, full grade center. What I do is I start with this very top one. I say grade user activity. All right, so here I am in Aaron Blackford's um, chain. I can see reply, reply, and initial, right? So things that I notice that are not here right now are any kind of references in this. So that's just a quick glance. Um, I have no idea why Blackboard doesn't include the word count here, but the way that I do it is I eyeball it, and if it's questionable, I copy and paste it and throw it into Word and do the word count. All right, so right now I would go from right here. I go into the rubric, I do all my rubric stuff, I press save, I get out, and then I write my quick thing right here. I do not use inside the rubric. Sometimes I'll write individual comments in here and write, whatever it is, if it's something specific, but I don't use this feedback to learner because even if I set it to visible, I find that many students can't find it for whatever reason. All right, so then I do that, and then this is how I go to the next one. Ready? Click. And I go to Samuel Brush. So that is how I'm doing it. Let me know if that's how you're doing it or if you want more info. All right, have a great day.